Hey guys, this video is for unemployment benefit. So, these are the steps on how you claim your SSS unemployment benefit. So, sino ang magka-qualify dito sa benefit na to? Note, this is not a loan. This is your benefit kapag naguhulog ka ng SSS. So, must be under 60 years old. Number 2, must have paid at least 36 monthly contributions within 12 months paid within 18-month period right before separation. Have been laid off through no fault of your own. So meaning, hindi ka nag-resign. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin ito kapag nag-resign daw ba or nagkasakit sila. This is all online, guys. No need to go to your nearest SSS branch. So, online lahat to. So, step 1, dapat meron kayong account sa SSS, sa website ng SSS. So, log into your account. And step 2, register your disbursement account. So, yung disbursement account, yun yung doon papasok yung benefit mo, yung cash mo. Meron ding Mlawilier, GCash, I think, meron din. Yung sa akin, via bank. Via bank ko siya inactivate. 3, after your disbursement account is approved, so meron kayong makikitang notification doon sa website ng SSS. Go to Benefits tab and then Unemployment Benefit, yung tab. Doon kayo mag-fill up ng information. If hindi kayo sure sa Dole branch, need to ask your HR first. So, kailangan kayo mag-email kung hindi na kayo in contact or puntahan nyo yung dati yung HR. Basta alam nila yan. Dapat alam nila yung details nyo sa Dole branch. If hindi malinaw yung pagkaka-explain ko, meron akong website. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link dito sa baba ng caption. Number 4, take note of your transaction number and preferred Dole branch. Meron notification dun sa SSS website after nyo mag-fill up. So, yun yung details na ipapakita nyo sa HR. Email nyo sila to approve on their side kasi may approval on their side eh. So, after nung approval, yan, okay na yun. And then, after nung ma-verify yung claim nyo, you can apply na sa DOLE. Sa e-certification of involuntary separation, yun yung tawag dun. Yun yung kailangan nyo makuha sa DOLE. Ang requirements ay notice of termination of employment issued by your employer, transaction reference from SSS, yung kanina na nag-fill up tayo, and then valid ID with signature. Yung valid ID with signature, ang ginawa ko lang doon, inano ko yung, in-scan ko yung valid ID ko, and then, nag-digital na perma ko doon sa notes ko lang sa iPhone. For NCR-based employees, merong mga website doon, pwede nyong hanapin yung mismong Dole branch nyo. And for Cebu-based employees, nag-email lang ako. So, yung office namin dati, base siya sa Cebu. Yung main office niya ay base sa Cebu. So, nag-email pa ako sa RO7 Dole branch. After ma-approve, 5 to 10 working days to reflect on your e-wallet. So, yung based on my experience, 5 working days siya. Na-receive ko agad sa bangko after nung approval ng email. So, ayun. Answering some questions, medyo madami nag-comment sa TikTok and then sa shorts. How much po possible amount you could get? Max is 20,000. Number 2, gaano katagal po ang evaluation ng DOLE? Nakaka 4 days na po kasi sa akin. 5 business working days. And then after nun, approve na siya. Business working days, guys, hindi yung normal days. So, business working days. Next question is, ano po yun, ma'am, after mo mag-file ng certificate kay DOLE, diretso na po ba papasok yun sa bank account? Yes. After nung approval, may marireceive kayong email. And then, okay na yun, dapat. Kung na-set up nyo yung, nang maayos yung disbursement account, okay na yun. And then, lastly, need po kung ilang months unemployed. Yung sa akin, nag-file ako agad within a month. Basta once na-receive ko yung termination letter, kasi yun yung isa sa requirements for dun sa e-certification. After nun, nag-apply na ako. Pero, sa website ng SSS, up to a year, kunwari na na-layoff ka ngayong year, pwede pa next year, basta wag lang lagpas dun sa 1 year validity nung upon ng termination mo. Tama ba yung ano? Basta yan, 1 year lang yung range. Ayun lang. If any questions, just drop your comments, and I hope job does para sa ating lahat. Bye-bye!